Ali just landed in Melbourne. Hi guys, good morning. Where are we heading to today?
Great Ocean Road.
I actually went a month ago, but Ali has been planning this for literally years, right?
Yeah, I've always wanted to go, so we're going.
What's up? Oh my god, your jawline, queen. Again. Oh, it's so cute. I just went to the bathroom. It was so traumatizing because there were buckets of bugs in the sink, and in the bathroom, I couldn't deal. Oh my god! No freaking way! Ali and I just arrived at Loch Ard Gorge. We've just been sitting here, getting some photos, really enjoying the view, taking it all in. We're gonna go down to the beach. Do you remember when we were sitting down in Hawaii? You did those poses like, oh my god, I'm masculine, and you were doing those poses. And I was pretending to be you.
Okay, you actually are me. But my turn to be you. Are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm masculine.
Guys, are you sure you want to do that? Hey guys, it's...
Oh my god, Ali, no, I look so ugly. Oh my god, Ali, I blink.
Wait,
oh
guys. Photos of the both of us, but we don't have a third person to actually take the photos.
Basically, we have the camera set up on a tripod and I connected to the Canon app on my phone, so right now I can see us in real time.
Oh, there are some guys. Look like they're having an amazing time. I want them to be in those vlogs. Look at them right over there. Yes!
You guys a YouTube channel?
You got a YouTube channel? What do you do on YouTube?
We just hang around.
Where are you from?
I'm from China.
What's your name?
David.
How's it going up there?
It's pretty good. We went to that cave. That cave is Rio. You should go. Yeah, it's amazing.
Your accent, where's your accent from?
It's kind of a mixture. I have my primary school in America, so I have a little bit American accent.
Oh!
Also, I stay here, so I have a little bit Aussie accent.
Oh, what do you study?
I'm on computer and neuroscience in USyd, University of Sydney.
Oh, same.
Oh!
You too?
Yeah.
We should have a nice talk, eh?
Yeah.
Ah!
I started last term, but it was all night. So
Yeah, me too, same.
Really?
This guy is studying architecture on the right, and that guy is studying telecommunication engineering, yeah.
Awesome!
You study at Melbourne Uni?
No, I don't. I'm choosing between Monash and Swinburne at the moment.
Just go to USyd, eh?
No, I want to.
This is my original color, it's like...
Oh wow, you're so tan.
Yeah, you know, I always surf in the ocean.
Hi!
Like, this is the third time I come to Melbourne.
So we just got back from the beach. I'm about to have some lunch that my mum packed me, and then gonna drive and check into the hotel. What's the time? We have barely eaten today.
We're having lunch at 5:49.
Car vlog!
I keep it juicy.
Eat that lunch. I ate that lunch. Olivia is gorgeous.
Good.
This is my best friend. And there she is. Gorgeous. Whoa. Ooh, this is fun. That is so aesthetic. Number 3.
Ready?
Wait, I don't know where to put my pickle. I have a pickle here. Hi, I'm Tivi. Welcome to my crib. This is the bathroom. Some blue tiles, a toilet. This is fancy. I'm definitely going to be sleeping on this side so that when I'm hungry at night at 2 a.m. I can just not even get out of bed. I can just reach my arm out and open the mini fridge. Now we move on to this area. This is a little kitchen. Again, don't even need to get out of bed to go to the kitchen. We have some hand wash to stay COVID safe. Some tea, English breakfast. We got some cabinets. Oh, stop it. That aesthetic, that is, I want that. Little microwave, hello.
What are we gonna be microwaving?
I think we should microwave them.
Oh yeah, hey guys.
Put her in there.
Is that good?
I'm actually gonna vlog like
You
that.
guys are going for a
Hey
little,
guys.
for a little spin in the
spin.
microwave.
I don't think we should start it.
No.
Wait, we should spin it around. 3, 2, 1.
Surprise! Surprise, Shawty!
We exit the microwave.
We exit the microwave.
We have TV here so we can watch. Can we connect YouTube here? So we.
I don't know, I didn't bring a HDMI, but if it has
I did. No, I didn't.
Insta
Ooh,
handle,
promo.
downhill.
And then we have a little day bed. So if anyone wants to crash, let us know. I don't want to sit on it because I just came back from the beach.
Yeah.
But it is lovely here. It is lovely. We have 2 towels and that photo. I can tell they put the blues all the way down on Lightroom. I love these pillows. I really like the beachy ocean design of this room.
The blue.
Bye MTV!
Bye.
We have a little patio area. Oh, there's no like Coles or Woolworths.
No, it's a friendly grocer.
That's so cute. I'm gonna get some water now. Exciting. Oh, they have like all the touristy things, necklaces. Yum, Ben and Jerry's. Oh my god, that's so many. Wow.
We found the prettiest spot and it's empty, no one's here.
Setting up for a photo. Golden hour.
Baby, what's on your mind? Thinking
We're
about
gonna do a really nice mirror pic. Oh, I can see him. There he is. This is my outfit of the night. Just my sister's white dress. She's gonna kill me. These necklaces from Princess Polly. I left my hair natural. Didn't have time to straighten it.
better say something that would change my mind.
How is this real? Ali and I are just admiring the sunset's last few moments.
Hotline.
We love the soft lighting. It's literally fairy floss.
Know how to enjoy it.
This dress is not very flattering. It's just like straight on. Anyway, look at this.
That is pretty cool.
We're gonna cheers to all of you watching.
But I'm not actually gonna drink because I have to drive, so.
Also, I don't think I'm gonna drink it either because I just don't feel like it. But like,
But we're just gonna do a cheers!
let's do a cheers. Okay,
Yeah.
3,
3,
2,
2,
1. Woo! Mwah. Oh, it's actually right.
Whenever I'm off to find a sunset, a flavor of a memory. Whenever all the stars above are shining, then I know